Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Mark.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Jervin.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Monique.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Aubrey. Para naka per department.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Hana.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Mark.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Mitch.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Arwin.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Honey. Honey.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Camille.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess, huh?
Second na to. Si Riza.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Hindi si Camille yun, di ba? Teka lang, tinanong ko lang hindi si Camille yun. Si Joms? Si Joms. Kasi chat lang kami nag-usap ni Joms. Oo, chat sa
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
What?
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Isa pa.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Cree.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Jade. Sure na sure. 100%.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Joy.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Cams.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Cindy. Pinalitan pa. Obvious naman.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Louie.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Abby. Pati Mir pa.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Ana. Happy birthday, Ana. Tama.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Jello.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Kat.
Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
Si Jenny.
Happy birthday, Miss
Si Divina.
Happy birthday, Miss Happy birthday, Miss Jess.
No fail. So, dahil, sino hindi ko naulaan? Si Jello, saka si Joms. Jello and Joms. So, may regalo ko kay Jello, saka kay Joms.